At sa punto ito, makakausap po natin si Attorney Raymond Trisantos, isa sa mga abogado ni dating Pangulong Gloria Arroyo. Magandang tanghali po, Attorney. CPR Kanghel po ito.
Yes, good afternoon, Tia.
Attorney, nakausap niyo na po ba ang dating Pangulo? Ano ho naging reaksyon niya nang matanggap tong court order?
Hindi pa, no? Because we have been here at the court, in the court premises since this morning, so I have not had the chance to talk to her yet about this.
Pero kayo po ba mismo, nagulat po ba kayo? Inaasahan po ba ninyo yung paglabas ng court order na ito?
Well, we were hopeful that she would finally be granted bail, no? So, mabuti na lang na tama yung aming inaasahan, no?
Pero attorney, linawin lang po namin, no? Kasi nabigyan na po siya ng bail dito sa kasong electoral sabotage, tama po ba? Pero yung meron din hong isa pang kaso sa kanya, itong plunder case, kamakailan lang sa Sandigan Bayan. Ano ho epekto nito doon sa pagpapiyansa ng dating Pangulo?
Our position there is that the plunder case so far, no, hindi pa terminated actually yung preliminary investigation at the ombudsman level because the respondents there were not given the opportunity to file their motion for reconsideration bago na isang tayong kaso sa Sandigan Bayan, no, if you recall, no? So, as of now, as things stand right now, we feel that the tendency of the plunder case does not affect the right of the former president to be let out on bail.
Pero sa ngayon po, sinasabi na po ng korte, she's still under the supervision, no, of the court. So kung gusto niyang lumabas ng bansa, kailangan pa rin maghain ng hiwalay na motion. Sa ngayon po ba, may balak po ba ang dating Pangulo na lumabas po ng bansa?
Well, that is correct, no. As far as the point that the former president needs to secure permission of the court if she wishes to leave the country, tama yun, Tia, no? But the question is, that doesn't affect the question of bail, no?
Okay.
Pero whether or not she is allowed to leave the country is one thing, bail is another.
But our question is, does she have plans of leaving the country if she is allowed?
At the moment, wala pa kaming ganung mapapag-usapan as of late, no? Any conversations before, earlier on, had to do with the possibility of obtaining a different medical opinion. All of the discussions then, earlier on, had to do with the medical side of her condition.
Ano na ho ba yung status po ng kanyang kondisyon, yung kanyang medical condition? Kasi alam po natin na kaya po siya humiling, no, na hospital arrest dahil meron nga siyang iniindang sakit. So ngayon po ba, ibig sabihin balak niyang humiling ng treatment pa rin abroad, which is what she was asking for, bago siya dalhin sa VMMC? Or tingin niyo po, kaya na po siyang dito na lamang, no, bigyan ng treatment?
Pia, my understanding from our meetings with all of the doctors, no, including the government doctors of the VMMC, is that there is sufficient basis to consider or to explore other options outside the country. Now, whether or not that will be done anytime soon, it is not something that I am privy to at the moment.
All right. Pero definitely, if she will seek treatment abroad, kayo po mismo sinasabi nyo, maghahain po kayo ng motion kaagad sa korte.
Of course, if it has to come to that, of course. Kailangan talaga natin, no? That is we will be respecting the jurisdiction of the Sandigan Bayan in that regard, no? Because I understand a whole departure order has been issued in fact.
Alright. Pero ngayon po na balikan po natin yung implikasyon ng paglabas po o yung pagbibigay po ng bail, no, sa dating Pangulo. Ibig po bang sabihin nito, tingin nyo, yung kasong electoral sabotage laban sa kanya, madidismiss na po?
We are hopeful, Pia, no? From day one, we have been saying na talaga namang walang ebidensya ang prosecution, no, against her, no? And the fact that she apparently the judge appreciates yung aming position na talagang mahina ang ebidensya. Now, it seems na ito na lahat ng ebidensya nila against her. So we anticipate na kung ano pa man ang sumunod na ebidensya for the remainder of the case, we do not feel na substantial na ito. So we are confident about the acquittal.
Attorney, nabanggit nyo, kayo po nasa court premises. Alam nyo po ba kung sino-sino ang kasama ngayon ng dating Pangulo sa VMMC?
I don't know. I'm sorry. I've been here since this morning, so alam niyo naman na bawal ang telepono sa loob ng
Pero,
BMMC.
would you know kung ngayon pa lang naghahanda na siya sa kanyang paglisan o pag-alis dyan po sa VMMC?
I really don't know, Pia. I'm sorry. I cannot answer that.
Alright, well, we appreciate your time, Attorney Montri Santos. Maraming salamat
Yeah.
po sa iyong pagkikipagparehan sa amin, and we look forward po to speaking with you in the future para sa iba pang update. Si Attorney Ray
Salamat,
Montri Santos, isa po sa mga abogado ni dating Pangulong Gloria Arroyo.